Okay.
Okay, so here I have two patches. So one is for the rack environment, second one is for the single instance. Okay,
Okay.
so this is our database server. Okay, so let me check. Let me check if the database services is running or not on the server. So still it's not running. So not running. So let me start the services first.
Yeah.
So listener, I start now. Let me start the database. Okay. Now database is up and running. Okay. So
Yeah. Okay.
what I will do, firstly we need to check the is there any patches or anything has been applied to the database or not. Okay. So for that, what we will do, we'll run, that the DBA registry SQL patch. Okay, so it will give you whatever the patches if you applied any patch or anything to the database. So it will give that error. So actually we did not apply anything. We have just whatever the we have created the database or like so that is the by default. Okay, so we have applied only here it's showing the only one patch. Okay,
Yeah.
so also need to check if there anything here. So this is the database version, and these are the component. All are the component. Okay, and these are the component name. So this is the version of all those component, and this is the status. All are the valid with the 19.0 version. Okay.
Okay.
This is the third
So what
column
are these
where we
components
have.
means? Components mean role mean?
And these are
Component
the
in
we
there,
can
na?
say
Different.
these are the like database catalogs and all. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Here you can see that catalog, catprop. So basically it's for that the database data dictionary views like and the packages and all. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's showing those things only. Whatever the Java virtual machine and all, whatever the means like these are the component.
Okay.
If you have enabled any vault or like if you have enabled any database level security and vault, so here it's showing those components.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So here as we can see, here it's showing the only one patch. Okay,
Yes.
so what we will do, we will exist from the SQL prompt. Okay, and then we'll check the current like is there anything firstly we need to copy the patch software on server first.
And patches also we have types by like bug patch and some other.
For what?
Patches also we have different types are there.
Yes, like see there is one CPU and one PSU patch. CPU it's basically for the fix that the security database
Oh,
security. Okay, but if you apply the PSU, then it will fix the security, the security, and as well as it will fix the bugs. If any bugs is in the database, so it will also fix those bugs.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here there are multiple, what I can say, the archives. So what I will do, will delete these archives because we don't need. So okay, and then we'll go to the, here also we have, so what we will do, we will delete all those archives. So now we need some much space on the server in 01. Okay. So what we will do, we will here we need to check. Yeah. So here we will create a directory called software. Okay. So
Yeah.
here we do not have any files now. So what I will do, will let me copy the files. So one by software. And these are the Oracle softwares. Okay. Just give me a minute. I'm copying the software. Okay, now what I will do, will show you the current like Go patch version and all. So for that, as you know, we have already Oracle Home. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll check the current Go patch version. It's very important to check the Oracle version. So currently we have the Oracle version 12.2.0.1.17.
17.
Okay. Yeah, so this
Yeah.
is the Oracle patch version. And let me check what okay. So software has been copied on the server. So if we check here, so we have the patches on the server. Okay. So for this, what we will do, we will unzip this software first. So I'm unzipping the software.
Yeah.
So software has now let's check. Here you can see we have the directory with the patch name. So what I will do, will remove this patch. Okay,
Yeah.
because unnecessary it will like
Occupy space.
occupy the space on the server. Yeah. So now, and what I will do, will go to that directory. Okay. So if you check here, we have the README document. Okay. So before the patching,
Yeah.
always remember you need to read the README document where you will get what patch or patch utility you need to apply the current patch and all. Okay. So for that,
Okay.
we need to check the patch utility. For this, I think we need to copy it, but we cannot copy for now. So what I will do, we'll show you one week here, and then we'll show you the. You can see now I am unzipping on OS level.
Yeah, visible by.
Okay, so just give me a minute. It will unzip in a minute. So we'll show you. We like either also like we'll show you one command prompt label only. Just a second. Okay, here it's generated the like file. So if you go little bit down, okay, so it will show you what OPatch utility you need to apply the current patch. Okay.
Yeah.
So here you can see it's showing OPatch version
By
12.2,
I think
and
your
if
screen is
it
hanged by.
would,
Your screen is
sorry,
not moving. I think it's hanged.
okay, just a second, let me share again. Now, are you able to see the like
Yeah, now
content?
loading by, not at cup. It is still at loading only.
Okay.
Yeah, visible by. Okay, you open that
Now
Redmi
it's
file, right?
visible.
Yeah.
So yeah, README file. When
Okay.
you unzip na, so you will get the README file. Okay.
Okay.
As I have shown you na, here you can see there is a readme.html.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here you can see OPatch utility. So you must use the OPatch utility version 12.2.0.1.40 or
Yes.
later for this patch. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so currently, as we have checked before, let me show you one more time. Currently, we are using 1.17, and
Yes, right.
it is asking 1.40 or later version. Okay,
Okay, okay.
what we will do? We'll go to that location. We'll go to the we'll go to here. We'll copy this OPatch utility. This is the OPatch this is the patch for OPatch utility. Okay, or
Okay,
we
okay.
can say the new OPatch utility software. Okay, and we'll move it to the Oracle home location and go to the Oracle home location. And here you can see we have the software here. Okay, and
Yeah.
if you check the OPatch, so here you can see this is the OPatch. By using this, we are able to check the OPatch version. Also, by using OPatch, this OPatch utility, we will apply the patch. We will check the inventory. We will check the any conflict during the, if anything like conflicted during the patching. So it will show everything. So by using this utility, we will patch. So what we will do, we will rename the current OPatch utility. Okay, directly will not delete. We will
Yeah.
firstly rename it.
Okay.
Now here you can see we have like we have renamed. Okay,
Yes, yes.
now we will unzip the new one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So now if we will check for a call home, okay, OPatch, OPatch virtual. So now here you can see it's a 12.2.0.1.41,
Yes, right.
right? 1.41. Before that, we have the 1.17, right?
Yes.
Now we have the 1.41, means we are good to proceed, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah. So what we will do now, we have the latest OPatch version for this patch, and what we will do, we will remove old OPatch backup folder. And also we need to remove the software file from here. Okay. Now we will go to the software location. Here we have uninstalled the patch. Go to the patch location. And now again, we need to check the Oracle home patch. Patch ls patches. Okay. So it will show you the list of patches. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so here you can see it's showing only the like dispatch. The this is the apply on the database level, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we will do, we will also after the listing of the patch, we will check the yeah, so also we need to check the check conflict. It means if any conflict, is there any in conflict we have on the current database or on the current server. Okay, so we'll check. This is the prerequisite before applying the patch. These are the prerequisites. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, prerequisite check conflict against OSB teacher. So check conflict, check conflict OSB teacher. I think conflict against OH. OH with detail. Okay, so it will give you the what OPatch version you need to apply this patch and everything. It will give you the prerequisite. So
Okay.
before to apply the patch, you need to execute this command first. You need to check the OPatch utility, which I have shown you here. Like it's needed. Also, you will get in the README document what OPatch utility you need to apply. Okay, and
Oh,
with this also you will get the in what we can say if any conflict or any issue on the server, so it will check all those things. So here you can see we got the OPatch succeeded.
yes.
Okay, now we are good to apply the patch on the server, but before that we need to shut down all the s- services. Okay,
Okay.
so database is running, listener is also running, so we need to stop all the services.
Okay, bye.
Okay, and we connect to the database. That's certificate. Okay.
Yeah.
So before executing the OPatch apply, we need to stop all the Oracle related services on the server. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. So once it will get stopped, then we'll apply the patch. So database is shut down. Now if we check the TNS is not running and also services is not running. So what we will do, we'll apply the patch. Okay. So always remember you need to be on patch location. Okay.
Yeah, bye.
Either here you need to give the patch complete patch path here. So already we are on patch path, right?
Yes. Yes, right.
Yeah, already we are on patch path. So that's why we no need to give the patch path here. But if you are on any other location, then you need to give the patch path here. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why no need to give the patch path here because we are on patch location and we are executing the OPatch apply to apply the patch on OS level. Okay, so it will take it will verify it and it will take some time to execute the query. Okay, so let's wait to complete.
Yeah.
here it is asking like you are going to apply this patch. So do you want to proceed? So we'll select yes and press the enter. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, it's showing like is the local system ready for patch? Yes, it's ready for patch. It
Yeah.
means like here you can see what it's giving, like please shut down Oracle instance running out of this Oracle home, and they have given the Oracle home here, right? So it means it's saying you need to shut down the instances in the sense like you need to stop all the services, whatever the services is running on this Oracle home, you need to stop all those services.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, so already we have stopped all the services. So we are good to proceed. So we selected yes and press the enter. Is going to like it will be ended in 10 minutes. So here like it's taking the backup. So always remember if you are going to apply the patch, okay.
Yeah.
So before that you need to take the Oracle home patch, means like you need to stop the all the services, and then after you need to take the Oracle home backup. Okay. If
Okay.
anything happened during the patching, then you can uh, like using that Oracle home backup, you can uh, restore or recover your all the software what we had before the patching. Okay, so always remember once you shut it down all the services on the server, so after that you need to take the Oracle home backup. And also if possible, then you can take like inventory directory backup, which is available on Oracle base location, right? So you need
Okay.
to take the inventory backup also. If possible and you are good to take the Oracle database backup also, then also you can take the Oracle database backup, no issues.
Okay.
Okay. Because in
Yeah.
the environment, as you know that if database is having the very what we can say very less size, then you can take the RML full backup. If the database size is very huge, so what you can do, you can take the incremental backup.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that will be a good things to have a backup before the patching. So these are the three things which you need to for the RMN backup, you need the database should be up and running, right? So before shutting down the Oracle database, you need to take a backup of your database, and then after you need to take the backup of Oracle home, and once like you will stop the services, then after you need to take the backup of Oracle home, you need to take the backup of inventory, right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, so these are the three things which you need to be yeah. So it's also when you will apply the patches now, so it's like it will take the backup of the Oracle home. Okay, so but for safety purpose, you need to take the backup manually.
Got it.
So it will take a little bit more time. Let's wait for 4 to 5 minutes. Might be in 3 to 4 minutes it will be completed. Then after we'll disconnect the session and we'll rejoin the. Then we'll show you the next like uh, next part.
Yes, sir.
So once it will get completed, then after we need to start the like we need to start all the services. Okay,
Okay.
so let's complete. Here you can see it's patching component Oracle.rdbms.
Yeah.
Whatever
Patching
the
component.
component we have checked when we have logged into the database. Na? So it's applying the patch to component level, but yeah, it will not reflect it until if we did not apply the data patch on SQL level. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
Currently, whatever the things we are applying here, whatever the steps we are following here, so it's applying the patch on OS level, not on database level. Okay.
Yes, bhai. Got it.
Yeah. So for database level also, after this, we have command to apply the patch on database level too. Okay. So we will see after uh, this. So we have 3 minutes more. So after 3 minutes, it will get disconnected. Okay. So we'll join again. almost it's near to complete. So as we can see, it's completed. Okay.
Yes, bhai.
So yeah, here you can see OP has succeeded without any error. Okay. So what
Right.
we will do now, we'll start all the services on the server. Firstly, we'll start the listener. The listener should clearly start. Okay. Now listener is up and running. Let's connect to the database. So here we can see we are applying the bias to the ORCLD. Okay. So if you have multiple, then firstly you need to run the database for this Oracle SID, and then after you need to export the Oracle SID, like second Oracle SID, and then you need to apply the database to the second one. Okay. So always remember.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are having only or ORCLDB here. So I am going to apply ORCLDB one. So here, listener has been started and we are starting the database. Almost it's started. So let's check like is the like whatever the patch we have applied.